In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to change the phone number of your Google account. And let's get started right away. So what you want to do is you want to have Google opened up and then click on your account at the top right corner. Then click on manage your Google account, just like this. And we'll have to wait for this to load up. And as you can see, it has now been loaded. So what we want to do is we want to click on personal info and scroll a bit down to see contact info, and right here you can see the phone tab. We want to click on the phone tab, and since I don't even have a phone number on this account, I can basically just click on add now and I will add it. But yeah, if you already had a phone number, you can just click on edit. You have to fill in your password, and from there on out you can basically just change it, and that is very straightforward. So yeah, that's basically it. I hope this video helps you out. Please leave a like and let me know in the comments if it worked, and I'll see you next time. Have a good day.